Negotiation situational examples. I want, I propose, I want better terms, I propose revised terms. I can't, not feasible. I can't do that. That's not feasible. Lower, reduce, lower the price, reduce the pricing. Higher, increase, make it higher, increase the value. More, additional. I need more time, I need additional time. Less, limited. We have less budget, budget is limited. Agree, align. I agree, we are aligned. Disagree, differ. I disagree, I differ on this. Maybe, conditional. Maybe, it's conditional. Help, support. Help the process, support the process. Need, require. I need this, this is required. Try, explore. Try another option, explore another option. No, not acceptable. No, not acceptable under current terms. Yes, approved. Think, evaluate. I think I'll evaluate.